Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda Live. I hope you have learned the procedures for this home recipe to take place, and I hope starting from today your problems will be solved after learning the way how to make this home recipe at home. And trust me, my dear, your life will be back forever depending on your performance. But before I proceed, my dear, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel called Uganda Live, and to share this video to your friends, to leave a comment in the comment section so that you get to know more videos about all which I upload on this YouTube channel called Uganda Live. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? So starting from today, this is what you need for your performance, to get better, to improve your performance, to sleep for hours during bedtime. Okay? But please leave in the comment section the name of your country. Okay? And remember, this home recipe, women and children, let me say pregnant women and children, are not supposed to take or to drink this home recipe. But as you, I want you to drink this home recipe 1 hour before bed. Trust me, you expect good performance, you expect good results, works 100%, and trust me, it doesn't have side effects. So you take it 1 hour before going to the bed. Expect good performance, expect quick recovery after taking this home drink. I'm Coach Uganda. God bless you. Bye bye. See you again.